You're going to learn how to convert this food app Figma Design into a Flutter Code. And guess what? You are not going to write the code by yourself. Let me show you the final result. As you can see how perfectly it aligns with the design. Just check off this last screen, sign in, sign up, and home page. Everything is super clean, and we got all done in just few minutes. Simply open up your browser and type in the Wise doc. You'll also find the link right in the description below. The awesome tool can turn your design into Flutter Code. The very first thing you have got to do is set up an account. And guess what? It's totally free. So let's dive in. Once we're done, it looks like this. To import the Figma design, click on Create Blank App. Then for the platform, choose Mobile. Then name your app. I'm going to call ours the Flutter Voice Food app. Next, select Flutter as the technology and Figma as the design platform. The final step we have is to connect our Figma account to device. Boom, boom. Next, let's go back to Figma and copy the link of the design. Then paste it here. As you can see, it displays all the pages. I want to use all the pages, so I'll choose Select All the Screens and then hit Submit. This action will import the design. Also, you have the option have to change the app's package name and the bundle item. That's not all. You can also upload the app loader directly from here. You can even choose the state management package like blog, provider, and report. Plus, it offers integration with GitHub or GitLab. I think their best feature is to code sync with the IDE. I'll show you the details of this feature later. Let's check out other screens as well. The sign-in page looks perfect, especially the text field, and it even added the social login buttons perfectly. The sign-up page is also greatly converted. The home page was a bit complex, but it did a great job. It converted the design exactly as we had it. The best part is managed to figure out the bottom navigation button and created it as we have in our design. As you can see, it's bottom navigation but not a custom wizard. It also did wonderfully on the details page, search page, order page, and finally the account settings page. It converted all those perfectly. To preview, click on the preview button. You can see the switch is functioning flawlessly. The text field on the sign-up page is also working as anticipated, and everything on the home page looks superb. Now let's down with the code. To do this, we need to build an app. It will ask which state management package you'd like to use. They offer all well-known packages, but for this demonstration, I choose not to use any. Building does take a bit of time, and as it's doing so, you can see the app architecture. There is an assets directory, and inside the lib directory, everything is well organized. Once it finished building, you have the option to either download or sync that code. We download the code first, and later I'll walk you through how to sync it. Let's open the downloaded code in VS Code. Upgrade to import the necessary packages. Next, let's try running the app. But as you will notice, it doesn't run and throw an error. The quickest fix is to delete the iOS directory and regenerate it by running the Flutter create platform iOS command. If you have made any modification to the iOS directory, make sure not to remove it. Try running it again and you'll see it runs perfectly. The walkthrough screen displays, but there's a significant black border at the top and bottom. To fix this, return to walkthrough screen and remove the save area at top. Then wrap the container with save area and it looks perfect. Actually, all pages have the same problem and the solution is identical. Remove the top save area and wrap it on the body wizard. On the sign-up page, the password field is hidden and everything else is functioning properly. Now let's take a look at our home page. It looks superb. However, there are a couple of issues here and there. The search and order page are looking good, and there's a mere button account page. Still, I'm quite impressed with how well it has converted this complex design. Firstly, let's address the black border on the home page. Go back to the homepage container screen and remove the save area widget at the top. Then wrap the navigator widget with save area. This solved the issue, and it looks perfect now. As you can observe, the search and order based on now align accurately with our design and look much improved. Now take off those boxes on homepage, navigate back to homepage stutter. Let's search for the text. There we have it. I don't think we need a padding. Remove the padding. Now to align the text to the right side, add a spacer. That resolved the issue. Now on to the next one. Let's sort this out as well. I appreciate that they have created a separate component for this. You'll find it under the widget directory as homepage item widget. Scroll down, we can see how the problem arises. I believe we can do without the margin. Let's check. Yep, that does it. We have nearly resolved all the issues. And if any more pop up, you already know how to take out them. Device doesn't just convert your design to code, it also offers some awesome features. One of those is API integration. I'm really fond of the code sync feature. Let me demonstrate how straightforward it is to sync the code to your preferred IDE. Ensure you have copied the token. Then return to VS Code. In Extension, search for device and install the package. You'll see the device icon on sidebar. First, let's open a directory where you want to store the code. Next, click on Sync Code. It will ask if you'd like to use the chosen folder for the code. Select Yes. Now you need to paste the token here. It will take a moment to download the code, and voila, we are done. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the other video.